Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and to a brand new episode. Let's go! This is gonna be a short video of me showing you guys how cheap gas is to fill up a Civic. Before we get into the video, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload, especially next week's Street Racing CRX vs. the Civic. Now let's get back into the video. Let's take a drive in the EM1. As you guys can see, I'm on E, so I'm gonna go get gas and bring you guys with me. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much it costs to fill up a Honda. Oh, where are the keys? Oh, that's right, they're in the garage. Great. Let's open the garage back up. Let's open it back up, thank you. And let's go get the keys. Alright. There they are. Alright. Let's start up the EM1. So how's she sound, guys? Let me know down below in the comments. I think she sounds pretty normal, pretty stock. Let's close up this garage. First gear, off the clutch, a little bit of gas, and we're off. Yes, sir. Gotta warm up the tires so I can get that screeching and between second and third gear. Beautiful. What is that guy doing? I wonder why he was on that median over there off the side of the road. It's a girl. She was all confused. She didn't know where to go. Car, hell yeah, hell yeah. Alright, so we're on E. This is the top one, so I got basically 300 miles for the whole tank. Usually get about like 315, somewhere like that, depending on how you drive, maybe 325. But anyways, let's go over here. Fill her up. I'll walk over here, grab this bad boy, smack that. And in she goes. Yes, sir. There it is, boys. It's counting up. What's it gonna hit? What's it gonna hit? Where's it gonna stop? Bam! 29.25. 11 gallons. And I was on like EE. I was like riding E. So that's how much it costs to fill up a Honda, boys. In my case, a Honda Civic Si EM1. There it is. She's going up, boys. She's going up. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Full tank, baby. Boom. 300 miles for full tank. And every single time I fill up, I do this. Bam. We're back to zero. Yes, sir. Well, there you have it. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, right under $30 for a full tank in a Civic. Very, very good. As you've seen in the video, got about 300 miles for the full tank. You do the math, divide that by 11 gallons, you get about 27 miles per gallon. Pretty damn good, if you ask me. It's rated at about 30. I've never gotten anything better than 29. And I'm happy with that. Because I'm always hitting vtec. Down below in the comments, let me know how much it costs you to fill up your full tank in your daily. I'm going to close out this video by saying, don't forget to drop me one of these. Please and thank you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. Especially next week's Street Racing CRX versus the Civic. And I'll see you guys in